Guys, welcome to Tech, and sorry for the delay in the videos. In this video I'll just solve a problem which was commented on my video. The problem is based on the output type and the topic is pointers and arrays. Okay, so before starting the problem I just want to give you a simple tip. Okay, so just read this, pause the video and read this tip. This will be helpful in solving problems based on pointers and arrays. So the tip is, whenever an array name is passed as argument to a function accepting a pointer, then the pointer in the function is initialized with the address of the first element of the respective array. So just read this and understand this thing. I'll just explain this by using the um, example here. Okay, just go to so here is the example. Okay, this is the question. I don't know from which year this is asked, but I got the comment on this question. Okay, now I'll solve it using notepad. Okay, so whenever output question comes, just see what are there. This is a function, there is a function. Okay, then what we have the void main. So we have to start with the main thing, right? Okay, now what we have here is integer type array. Score is an array of integer type, and here we have 1 2 3 4 integers. Next thing, so this is it. This will execute and nothing will happen. This will just initialize the array with these numbers and it will create an array. After that we have a function, we have the function called. So this is the function change, this is called, and the argument passed here is a array name, right? So we have argument as array name, and our definition says that whenever an array name, okay, is passed as an argument to a function accepting a pointer, right? See, here we have the same thing. Array name is passed to a function accepting a pointer argument, right? Then what will happen? Accepting a pointer, then the pointer in the function is initialized. Okay, the pointer is initialized with the address of the first element of the respective array, right? So the pointer in the function, this means s, will be initialized with the address of the first element of the array. Got it? Therefore s will get a value which is the address of this element, the first element, that is 25. Okay, so now s will be having the address of 25. We can write it here, that s is equal to, this is address of operator. Okay, this is address of operator and 25. If you want to write, you can write this, or there is no need because we are not dealing with the addresses here. Okay, now just remember that s is having the address of this. Now the function is called, so let us go to the function here. Okay, so we are entering the function and there we have a for loop. Okay, now we have I is equal to 0, I is less than 4 and I plus plus. That means that I this for loop will go for 4 times. Okay, now what we have is a if statement, and it says that delta star s is less than 40 if star s is less than 40. Now what is star s? We know that whenever we add a star sign with a pointer, it is going to take the value of uh, the address, right? What is the value at the address? Okay, so what is s? S is having the address of 25. Therefore the star s will become 25 because s is having the address of 25. Therefore that means that the value of s, right? This is a value of operator. Star is a value of operator in pointers. Therefore this will become 25. Okay, so now we have star is as 25. 25 is less than 40. Yes, it is less than 40. Therefore we will enter this loop. Okay, because this is less than 40 and this statement is true. Okay, if okay, let us go inside. Now here this next is if statement again. It says that if star s, or the value at s, modulus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, so let us write 25. Sorry, star s is at 25. If 25 is mod 2, okay, let us write this 25 mod 2. What is this? The value of this is nothing but 1. I think you might be knowing this thing, that whenever we are using mod 2 with any value, if it is even, then we will get 0. If it and if the value is odd, we will get 1. Okay, that means the remainder basically. Okay, so 25 remainder 2, remainder 25 divided by 2 is nothing but 1. Okay, so now the question says that if 25 modulus 2 is equal to 0, is it 0? No, it is 1. So we'll just leave this statement, we'll go to the else statement, right? So what will happen, our this value, that is value at s, will become value of s plus 1, that is 25 plus, sorry, 11 plus 11, that is nothing but 36, right? So therefore we have value of star s as 36, therefore this will become 36. If you want, you can write it in the somewhere else, we can write 36 as the first value. Okay, now, okay, just let me remove this. Okay, now what will happen, this is happening, this is over, we have done this. Now this is not, this else will not be executed because we have entered this. So therefore we'll just go here, because after the loop, this is the end of the loop, and we'll go after the loop. Okay, here see out star s, we have star s 36, so we have given output, very good. And then we have a space here, see this is space, so we'll give a space here. The next value, the next loop will have the value here. Okay, okay, now what is happening, s is getting incremented, therefore s means the address of, s is having the address of this, therefore s is been um, incremented by one value, therefore this will become, now s will become address of this, right? So we have s as address of this, and therefore value at s is 60. Okay, okay, I hope it is clear. Now again go for the loop, we have I is equal to 0, I is equal to 1. Now I will become 1 because of for loop. After that we have this value as 60. Is 60 less than 40? No, so we'll go for the else part. So we'll enter this loop, we have this is equal to 0, because see 60 mod 2 is equal to 0, because the remainder is 0, right? Therefore we'll enter this loop. Here we have the value at s, that is 60, will become 60 minus 10, that is delta s minus 10, therefore this will become 60 minus 10, that is 50, right? Therefore just this will become 50, therefore we have c out as 50 here, so this will happen, this will happen 50, right? Then a space, then s is incremented. Okay, so this will get the value of this, because the address is incremented. This is not star s, this is just s, that means the address. Okay, so this is incremented, the pointer is incremented, therefore this will go here, therefore s will become address at this, and star s will become 35. Okay, now we have star s 35, then again go for the loop, I will be incremented, it will become 2. Then we go inside, then is star s less than 40? Yes, it is, 35 is less than 40. If we enter here, is star s mod 2 is equal to 0? No, star s mod 2 is equal to 1, because 35 mod 2 is 1, because the remainder is 1. Therefore we'll not enter here, we'll enter else part. Therefore what will happen, star s will become star s plus 11, that is 35 plus 11, therefore that is nothing but 46. So we have 46, therefore this is happening, this is over, else we'll not consider else part here, because we have entered if part, and therefore we have c out as, this is a space, and there we have 46, again a space, as there is a space, again s is incremented, that is address is incremented, therefore our s will become address of 53, therefore our again go for the loop, the last time for the loop, and therefore our I will become 3. Okay, now we have star s as this value 53. Okay, so now just enter here, we have star s as 53. Is 53 less than 40? No, we'll leave this part, we'll go to the else part. Then we have if star s mod 2, that is 53, or is 53 here, 53 mod 2, is it equal to 0? No, it is equal to 1. So we'll leave this part because this is not satisfied, we'll go for the else part. Star s will become, that is 53 will become 53 minus 11, that is 42, right? So we have star s is 42. Then we have executed this part, sorry, this part. Then we go for the last, that is c out, and we'll give c out as star s, that is our new value, that is 42. Okay, then we go for the s increment as and that is no need because we have got the answer. Okay, so in the answer sheet you will write this answer. This is the final answer. Okay, that's it. So just basic thing is remember this formula, this thing, and you are good to go. So thanks for watching. If you have any queries, you can comment below.